Welcome. If you want to use your camera in Roblox, maybe for face tracking, video chat, or just to enhance your gameplay, getting set up is quick and easy. In this guide, I'll walk you through the updated steps to allow camera access for Roblox on your phone. First, grab your device and unlock it. Start by opening your phone's Settings app. This is the main hub where you control everything your phone can do, including what apps can access features like your camera. Next, scroll down until you see either Apps or App Management. The exact name might vary depending on your device, but it's usually called one of these. Tap on it to see a list of all the apps installed on your phone. Now, scroll through the list and find Roblox. Once you spot the Roblox app, tap on it to open its settings. Here, you'll see all the options for how Roblox interacts with your device. Look for the section labeled Permissions. Tap on it. This is where you control what features Roblox is allowed to use, like your microphone, storage, and, of course, your camera. In the Permissions section, find Camera and tap on it. You'll see a few different options for how Roblox can use your camera. To enable camera access, select Allow or Allow Only while using the app. This means Roblox can use your camera whenever you're playing, but not when you're not in the app, keeping your privacy safe. That's it. You've now allowed Roblox to access your camera. Open up the Roblox app and try out any feature that uses your camera, like face tracking or video chat. If you still don't see the camera option in Roblox, make sure your age is verified and your account settings allow camera use, as some features may require age verification for safety. Enjoy exploring Roblox with your camera enabled and have fun creating and playing in new ways.